Hello beautiful people! Today, I Ronak is back with the second episode of puppet making and puppetry under What's Your Hobby, and I welcome you all. As we decided in the previous episode, today we'll discuss the materials we'll need to make our cute puppets and the core structure as well. So, let's begin! First of all, let us start with the very basic things. You'll be needing a good glue, a sharp pair of scissors, and a set of sketch pens to start your puppet making. The glue can be your white glue, synthetic glue, or the best is if you have a glue gun. Secondly, among the craft materials that we need are colorful pom-poms and googly eyes of different shapes. Along with that, to make your beautiful puppets, you'll be needing some colorful pipe cleaners as well. Now, adding some crystals of different shapes and sizes to your puppets will add to their beauty. You can also keep some colored buttons handy as well. Following that, you will need colorful A4 size sheets and colored felt cloth as well. But remember to keep black and white sheets available as a must. To make some hair for your puppets, you will need some colorful woolen threads. And to make another types of puppets, you will need popsicle sticks. All the craft items which I mentioned till now are available together in the Sparkle Box craft kit. You can visit their website and order your kit. You will find the link in the description box below, so check it out after this video. Now, to make some puppets at the later stages, you'll need paper cups, sticks, and colorful socks. We can make puppets like a pro with these household items. So you saw how you can make your puppets and do some puppetry with these simple and easily available items. Now it's time to check out the core structure. I have divided the course into 4 broad sections. First, we'll make the finger puppets, which are the easiest to make. Then we'll go forward with the hand puppets. Moving on to a higher level, we'll make stick puppets and ultimately create our sock puppets. I guess you're already very excited about the course and want to start with the making part. I'll be back with my next video where we'll learn to make finger puppets using pipe cleaners and pom-poms. Like my video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And don't forget to check the Sparkle Box website as well. See you all. Bye bye.